I want to show you guys how to help prevent a costly fix on one of these Maytag washing machines. That gear gets a little bit of water on it and it starts corroding right here where the gears actually interface right there. Let me show you. There's two little clips that go on the part and they rust out right here on that side of it and right here on that side. You can see this is the new part. This is how it goes on, and it sits in there and it's got a little clip that goes through there when it gets all the way down. I'm not going to push it down because this one's rusted. Where it has these little ports for the clip to go in, that's where the rust is. So what I'm going to do to try to help prevent this issue in the future is just put a ton of anti-seize all around these threads. This top little section of threads, that's the only bit that's actually grabbing. So out of all of the gears and belts and everything, that's the only thing that's really doing anything. I've got this old thing of anti-seize from a decade ago. We're just going to coat this all the way around. If it gets in my clothes, I'll let you know, but I don't think it will. You can see where those holes are. Those holes right there, those are the ones that are letting that water in and where it's allowing it to rust. And because there's less teeth right there, you can see how the teeth don't even continue to that section. That's where it fails. And then it's only relying on all these other teeth. And once it starts stripping them out, it's done. Turn it and make sure it goes on your teeth good. Even more of this stuff now. We're going to go in where it slides in. Slide our new clip in. All right, we've put a whole bunch of anti-seize in there, and hopefully we don't get this rust issue. So I guess we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.